Hi everyone, we are going to make this winter model house. We are going to press this white clay on this cardboard. Now we are making the house by pasting all the cardboards together like these windows and doors. Cover the roof like this. Now add more details like we are putting on the door, paste artificial trees, and we are also making a snowman here using clay. Add more details like fairy light and it's ready. In this video, we are going to make this white snowflake. So let's get started. We are going to fold this square white paper and make a triangular shape like this. Now we are going to draw lines on it using pencil like this. After this, we are going to cut it and open it gently. Don't tear it. Open it and look, your snowflake is ready. You can use it for Christmas decorations. Let's make these Christmas trees. So roll this green craft paper and make a cone. Cut the base and make it even. Now fold this A4 sheet of paper, paste double-sided tape, make multiple cuts and curl it. Now make more such pieces and cover the cone like this and your Christmas tree is ready. Add more decorations like colorful balls and it's done. Here we are going to make these snowmen using craft paper. So cut a white circle, now fold it and make a semicircle. Similar way we are going to paste two more circles on the top and base. Now we are going to paste its googly eyes, its red hat, paste a beak at the center and draw lines on the hat and look, it is ready. Let's make this beautiful snowflake. We are going to cut 9 cm square and 1 cm cuts on it. Now take a pencil, put it at the center and fold it, flip it and again fold it and repeat the same process like this. After this we are going to make 5 such pieces and then we are going to combine all of them together like this and look, it is ready. Let's make this cute snowman. We are going to cut circles from white paper and paste all of them on the paper cup. Here we are pasting googly eyes, nose, its mustache. We are also making this little hat for the top of the Santa Claus. Paste its hands like this and look, it is ready. Let's make this beautiful craft. You can use them for Christmas decorations. We are folding this white craft paper and make a triangular shape. With the help of coin, we are making snowman here. We are also drawing the Christmas tree like this using scissors. Now cut it, open it and start coloring it. We are doing red color on the snowman and green on the Christmas tree. Color it and look, it is ready. Let's make these cute little penguins. We are going to color the foam sheet. Here we are making icebergs. So color it. Now cut small pieces of the ice and paste all of them on the top of it. It's time to make the penguins using black clay. Make its feet, paste all of them on the top of the iceberg and it's ready. Let's make eco-friendly Christmas tree. So we are rolling this paper and make the cone. Cut the base and make it even. Now we are going to peel the orange like this. We need the outer part of the orange. Now cut it and give it a shape of a petal like this and paste all of them using double-sided tape on the outside of the paper. Now paste a tree and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.